model, 2016 Citroen Relay Boxer Transit 2.2 HDI tipper 104K needs engine repairs. No Vat. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 104,204. MOT, the 4th of September 2025. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing, definitely worth doing. Very clean, fully working tipper with good mileage, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, tipper in working order, electric windows. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334